All these sideshows that are created, how do you have a whole country that has no hospital, medicines, no books in the schools, civil servants have no money, you have 5 million just to throw into a hole in a by-election that you know that you have created? This is not, you can talk about Chabangu or Kwabangu, that name, but that's not, he's not the guy. The real issue, as I said, the real menu creator, the one who is creating all this, is Mr. Mnangagwa. He is the one who is at the center of it. Why? Because he would not have acquiesced into this thing, rushing to declare an election, when you know that it's a criminal act, what he has done through Chabab. You don't just wake up and look at a man in the street and say, no, he is the one who is interim. Interim from where? Who elected you? Who chose you to be interim for what? And you then go to the courts and the courts agree with us. It can only happen in a banana republic. But more importantly, it can only happen in a country where the writing is on the wall for those who preside over it. And we will continue to state it. We will fight all those recalls. We will fight all these illegalities. Of course, the courts have their own limitations, but we will make sure that we leave no stone unturned. We are doing everything within our power, politically, diplomatically, but also even legally, to make sure that we exhaust this matter. There is no need for by-elections to be conducted in this country.
You're not going to take part in the election?
Look, that's a decision that is going to be pronounced once we have had our meetings. We're having meetings very soon. In fact, we're supposed to meet this week. But because we want to honor our change champion, we couldn't hold this meeting in the context of money. So we've postponed, and we're going to have a meeting just to be able to articulate the way forward in the country. Okay?